Hey guys, it's your guy Abrazak Otokiti. I welcome you to this short tutorial on Hlookup. So now guys, this is the data set that we're going to be working with. It's a data set that contains the category and campaign. So in the category region, we have the baby category, children category, general category, home category, men category, other women. So now, and we have different types of campaign here. We have competition campaign, designers, discounts, events, none, and we have the total number of sign-ups for each campaign, and we also have the total number of category for each of the campaign. So now, number of users that sign up for each of the category, I mean. So now, let's say for example, we want to know the number of people that sign up for general as a result of running a particular campaign. Let's say for running competition campaign, now we have about 416 that sign up for general. By running designers campaign, we have about 2,987 that sign up for general as a result of running designers campaign. And you know, for children also, we have about 54 people that sign up as a result of running designers campaign. But for baby, you know, we have 0. Even for competition, we have 0. For discount, we have 0 for baby also. So now let's say for example, our marketing department now says that okay, we should find the number of people that sign up as a result of running discount campaign on our e-commerce website for under babies category, children category, men category, women category, home category, general category. Now for us to find the number of people that sign up for under baby category as a result of running discount campaign, we use the Hlookup. Use the Hlookup. Then you select the lookup value, which is baby. Then you highlight the table. You select the table. Then the next thing you do is for you to anchor it. You anchor the table. Then you write comma. Then what is the row index number of the campaign that we are looking for? Then we just count it 1, 2, 3, 4. The row for discount here is 4. Then we write 4. Then after writing 4, then it asks us to choose either we want approximate match or an exact match. We want exact match, then we put false there. Then you close your bracket and hit enter. So now the number of people that sign up as a result of running discount campaign on e-commerce website under a baby category is 0. So now we just double click it to fill in for the remaining cells. So now for us to know the number of people that sign up for each of the category, now we simply use the Hlookup also. We write the Hlookup, write Hlookup. Then you select the category. After selecting a category, then you still highlight the entire table. Then you make sure you anchor it. After anchoring it, you put comma. Then total here is in index. The row number of total is, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is 7. You write 7. Then we write false for exact match. Then you click enter. So the total number of people that sign up for baby is 2,772 people. So now for us to find the total number of persons that sign up for the remaining data set, we simply double click. So you see that for general, the total number of people that sign up is 5,727. So now for us to find the percentage sign up for each of the category, the percentage sign up from discount. So now let's assume we want to know the percentage of people that sign up from the total sign up for each of the category. Then to do that, you simply press equal to, then you select the category, discount category, divide by the total number of people that sign up for that particular category, and you hit enter. So for us to do same for the remaining data set, we simply double click. So now we can see that we have about 0% of this total number sign up for discount category. Then same for children, but about 34% of the total sign up for men category is as a result of discount category. So even for general, also about 36% of people that sign up for general is from discount category. So guys, this is how you use VLOOKUP in data handling. Thanks for listening and hope to see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.